Now we'll go out. I'll show you 10 exercises which Shahid has practiced for like almost a year. Very difficult. The exercises what we have chosen are from powerlifting, from strength training, from sports specific training. When you'll see when I'm doing it, you can see the kind of movements I've used. These are the movements which you can use it in real life, or these are the movements which normally a human body is supposed to use. Like what happens normally when you're training heavy in the gym, you're strong in the gym, and you go outside and you lift maybe your luggage from the bed at the airport, you get a low back pain. So that is the reason people always complain, I've been going to the gym, I'm fit, but when I'm going out, I'm not fit in terms of maybe changing my tire. What happens is, most of the time, majority of us are used to living in a comfort zone. AC gyms, AC car, AC office. Suddenly the temperature goes up, you get dehydrated, you feel fainted. The reason is adaptation. Human body was designed to adapt. Like if I'm used to training in AC and suddenly I have to train outside, or suddenly the electricity goes off, my training is gone for a toss. Shahid used to always complain, okay, I don't want to do this because it's hard. I don't want to do this because it's too hot. I said, if you want to look like the person you want to look on the screen for this particular movie, you have to train like this, because this is what athletes and Marines train in the Western and the European countries. So the idea was to make him get used to both the AC environment and non-AC environment. When you'll see the exercises, you'll come to know how difficult it was. Trust me, it was very difficult to convince Shahid to come to this level of training, which is hardcore, you can say. Okay, I'm gonna do two sets of stretches, especially for my lower body, because as I say, fitness starts at home. We don't use Indian toilets, so our squats in real life is not below a chair level or a commode level. So if you see in real life, we don't do this kind of a movement. How long can you sit like this? But if you see a laborer, he can sit like this for half an hour because he's used to this. So the exercises what I'm going to do are exercises where my hamstrings are involved. So I would like to stretch my hamstrings before I start my exercise. Okay, this is the first exercise I'll use to stretch my hamstrings. If you see it from the side, I'm not bending completely down. I'm just taking my hip out, hold it like this for 10 to 20 counts. Push my hip out, hold it like this for 10 to 15 counts. And do not force a stretch. Always remember, do not force a stretch. Relax your head, relax your body with the stretch. And slowly, slowly, slowly go down, touch your toes. Front part of the thigh stretch. 10 counts each. There are so many times, especially just before this kind of a workout, Shahid used to always say, I'm too tired today. Tomorrow I have to go for some kind of shoot for dance. I might not be able to train. I used to always tell him, a human body is always prepared. So your training has to be such that it's not about like yesterday I did my legs, today I can't run. Okay.